Well, yeah, it's bright so that people can see us because we are your partners in crime here for another taste test video courtesy of us and their bun. You have a man bun.
No, I don't.
You look like you have a man bun.
No, I don't.
Oh, and there's Midget. So today's video is, oh hey, why do you like following me? This dog likes following me everywhere. And I need to grocery shop. But today's taste test video is a special Christmas gift received by Eden from Uncle Charlie. And it is, yeah. Do you think we're going to regret this one? You think we're going to regret this one when we try it? Red Velvet Cupcake Cookie Dough Bites Soda. I think we're going to regret it. And it's fancy. It doesn't have a twist top. It has a bottle top, which you can't do one-handed. Where's my tripod? There we go. There's my fancy tripod. I spilt. Always clean up your mess, people. So I believe, oh look, there's E.T. I believe since this was your Christmas gift, you get to try it first.
Come on, bud.
I don't think Midget wants to try it. Midget, do you want to try it? You're probably the smart one in this video.
It smells weird.
Well, yeah, it's Red Velvet Cupcake Cookie Dough Bites.
I don't like red velvet.
Well.
Here.
Oh, you're going to drink it after the dog just licked it?
Don't lick my phone. Weird. You don't know where my phone has been touched by.
He's a dog. You don't know where his mouth has been touched by. All right, go ahead. Quit stalling. Quit stalling. Quit stalling.
I don't want to taste it.
Quit stalling.
I don't want to taste it.
This is probably going to be the longest taste test video. Wait, why do you have the video going of what we're watching?
That's not what we're watching.
Why are you watching two different YouTube videos?
Because it's multi-streaming.
Okay. Oh, here it is. They're going for it.
Mm-mm. It smells weird.
Hey, your cousin got mustard soda. Would you rather have tried that one?
I don't know.
All right. All right. Here we go.
I need the mustard. It's when you love
It does taste kind of cupcakey.
What's my opinion on that? Okay, my opinion is, okay, so it's kind of like a.
That's actually not bad.
I don't like it.
That's actually not bad.
I guess you're not ready, so you just gotta.
I really can taste the red velvet in here. I can't taste the cookie dough. You can taste, actually, no. I mean, I'll be honest, I've never really had red velvet, but you could taste the cupcake. You can taste like the taste of cupcake in this for sure. So you didn't like it? You don't want it anymore? And I haven't even had soda since Christmas night. So that's like 2 weeks ago. So yeah. Okay. That's Red Velvet Cupcake Cookie Dough Bites Soda. Sorry, Midget. And on that note, we're your partners in crime.